Good afternoon, my name's Dave Chamberlain here with Chris Fry from Arcadia Everything. Wow, look what we have today. 1970 Mustang Mach 1. Probably the nicest Mach 1 you'll have ever seen. I know that's saying a lot. I know it sounds like we're being proud or boastful, but when you see the quality of this car, you'll tend to agree with me. This is a full rotisserie restoration. Every nut and bolt, every trim, every panel. In fact, let me just get under the hood to kind of show you some of the quality here. This is a numbers matching 351 Cleveland, 4V converted to a fast flow fuel injection system. Maybe that's a Holly Sniper on that. Look at the engine bay. Look at these bolts. Look at the finish on that. Everything looks period correct, factory new. Well, actually better than new. The fit and finish is phenomenal. It has an air conditioning system on it, power steering, runs and drives wonderfully. Isn't that just gorgeous? And when we come down the side, look how crisp the body lines are. It's not rolled over like you typically see. This is perfectly done. The bodywork on this is phenomenal. Chris, let me open and shut this door real quick. Watch the gaps here. Do you hear how solid that is? As good or better than new. No door sags, no rattling, all trims new. This is a top of the line rotisserie restoration, complete show car. Wouldn't recommend driving around a lot, but hey, you can. It's a 5-speed Tremec transmission. The only thing that's been changed on the driveline is the addition of a 5-speed Tremec and a special drive shaft, you know, because it's a little bit longer on the tail there, tail shaft. Other than that, the rear axle, the engine is all period correct, and it's all numbers matching as well. The back of this is just gorgeous. Look at the frame, just beautiful frame underneath there. I'm letting Chris just kind of show you around there. We'll have a little background music playing. Chris, I'm gonna pop the trunk here. Look how beautiful, I'll take out this paperwork here. Look how beautiful it is inside. Look at all the seams. Everything's tight, everything's period correct, and everything's factory, except for the remote battery. Not factory. But they put it on the right side. That's where your torque is, so that's a good place to put it if you're gonna do it. Hear how that's shut, just beautifully shut. Obviously the rims are modern rims. I think these are 17s on here. In fact, let's see, yep, 17s. And look at that trim. It's all dimensional, just gorgeous. Everything on this car is just, it'll please even the toughest critic. You will not find anything, unless you don't like the billet hardware or the custom radiator. Other than that, you won't find anything that'll displease you on this car. Inside the car, I'll grab a remote here for a shop. We keep these cars in a climate-controlled building, so it's heated and cooled. 8,500 square foot showroom. And look at the interior door panels. Everything is just immaculately done. The gauges are retro gauges, modern retro gauges. We'll show you that on the driving portion of this video, coming soon. The engine's been fully rebuilt, of course. Mild cam on it. It's not super hot, but it does have plenty of power for you. The beautiful paint is flawless. I haven't found a single blemish in the paint. I mean, even the spray on it is amazing. I don't see any, like where they did it too much or too little. Just absolutely gorgeous. Wow, beautiful. I say we go in and drive this thing. What do you think, Chris? Should we take it for a drive? Did you get some good undercarriage photos? We're gonna get a little more subframe video for you. Just kind of show you what's underneath there. Hopefully the video camera picks this up. But it is just beautiful. There is no disappointments here. You are buying this with confidence. This kind of restoration will cost you in excess of $100,000 to rotisserie restore a car. And these days, 3-year waiting period. I checked on getting a car restored. 3 years, 2 to 3. The closest shop I found was 2 years. And there was no guarantees it was going to be just 2-year waiting time. Plus the time it takes to actually do the car. So better off buying one that's already done, ready to go. You can enjoy it, you can drive it now. And just a real privilege to see a car of this quality and this caliber. So let's start it up. Chris, wait right there, I'll fire it up. Here we are inside the Mach 1, and we're driving it right now. We're on some back roads by the lake, so we're just going to take it nice and easy. But you can see the retro stereo in there. Everything's so well done, Chris. This is amazing. Show them the clock. Look at it. The clock works. Those things never work. The down here, you got some auxiliary gauges for your, what do we got? Voltmeter and fuel gauge. Up here, we've got, can't read what that is right now, but I know we got tach and speedometer and water temperature over here. Oil pressure, probably. All the gauges work, function like it's supposed to. We got a custom billet specialties steering wheel. The mods in this were very tastefully done. So there's as much period correct as practical with having the modifications of some modern technology with fuel injection, bigger wheels and tires, modern gauges, you know, just things like that that make it much more drivable. I got a cool feature right here. Watch this. I don't know if the video will pick that up, but there's a left turn signal in the top of the hood scoop. See the left turn there? I'll do the right turn. See how it's got a little sequential blinker? Isn't that so cool? Now it's really cool at night, not so much during the day. But just these little touches that make you appreciate that everything works the way it should. The interior is absolutely stunning. Just not a flaw. Everything's correct. Everything's the way it's supposed to be. 5. All right, here's the practical driving test of your new 1970 Mach 1 Mustang. We're at a stop sign here. Or with our 5-speed Tremec transmission. That's so nice to have overdrive too, man. I tell you that. The 4-speeds just don't have enough. Giddy up and go there. Whoops, that was me. My bad. Okay, I shouldn't spin the tires. I'm sorry. Take it nice and easy now. That was just fun. All right, so we're doing 15 miles an hour or so. 4th gear. We're in a 50-mile-an-hour zone, so we're gonna keep it kind of cool. Anyway, you see the car drives nice and straight. Not a whole lot of road noise. You're probably hearing a lot of air conditioning. We do have the air conditioning on, and it's 100 degrees outside, and the air conditioning's flat out keeping us cool right now. So that is amazing. I just want to give a shout out to whoever put in this air conditioning. It is amazing. Steering wheel test. Oh, that drives good. Wow. Doesn't even move all over the road. That's amazing. So overall, just a performing car. This is a nice car you can drive. However, being so nice, you're probably not going to drive it all the time because literally this is a concourse quality car. This is something you can take to a high-end event, show, and you'll probably place very well in it because it is so well done. There's really just no flaws in the car, and you'll be very happy with the quality, the construction, the drivability, and the usability. There we go. 5th gear. Look how quiet that down. 50 miles an hour, 5th gear, just tooling right along. Like I said, here's the steering wheel test again. holding wheel. It's very straight, very smooth, very nice car. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. Like and subscribe our channel for more great content like this. You'll get notified. Remember, it's ArcadiaEverything.com. Dave Chamberlain, Chris Fry. Until next time, have a great day.